I'm sure you find us on the web and you want to find out what we offer at Joy Swim School and what classes you want to choose and our pricings as well. So this video is going to show you what you need to do on our web.
Now, welcome to Joy Swim School. This video is going to teach you how to navigate and find out what we offer on our page. Now, first of all, you type in joyce.net.au, you will find our promotion, customer login, and all this sort of stuff. Now, I will go through the program first, okay, because you need to know which program or the classes you need to enroll in, your child into. Now, once you go into the program there, we have B1. As you can see from the video up there or there, you will see what baby class looks like. This baby class there is actually for a beginner baby between 4 to 12 months. They're learning how to do back floating and also be familiar with water. You need to have water swim napping for your child, and you need to go into the water as well across all the B1, 2, 3. B2, they're learning how to submerge a longer time for approximately 5 seconds. They will start to do some simple movement as well, as you can see from the video there, without parents holding the baby going under the water. And then the B3, they are more independent types of swimming lessons. So the parent will be sitting on the side, and then you can see from the video there, and you can see the parents is actually helping the kids, but not that much. They can do submerge and doggy paddle, prepare for the next level, which is called starter level. Starter level, the kid is learning how to go under the water. Okay, they learn how to go under the water. They learn how to do doggy paddles, back floating, swimming without the goggles. Level 1, they're learning how to do the freestyle. As you can see from the video up there, they're learning how to use the kickboard, doing the kicking as well, turning their head onto the side to be able to breathe. Level 2, they're learning backstroke. As you see from the video, I'll try to put the video up there. Level 3, they are learning how to do breaststroke as well, which is the video you can see. Level 4, they're learning butterfly. Okay, now and we have different levels after that. The next one is called bridging class, which you will not be able to see from here because that one is by invitation. And we'll have a mini squat level on Saturday as well. And here is the learning journey of your child. Baby class and the learning swim for the club level. Okay. Now, if you go on, I will move on to the next one. It's called the promotion. If you click this promotion tab there, you will get to see our current promotion. Now, we have a free trial. The first lesson is always for free because I want you to try see if you like it. Okay, you click this button, you will get to see our offer. And discount vouchers, $39 for 4, which is for our new students only. And then you have the Aqua Baby. Aqua Baby is for any pups between 2 to 8 months. You can come in unlimited time. It's for free until they're 8 months old. And then you have the adult class here. Timetable is here online. So if you hit this button there, you will get to see our next page that looks like this. Okay. You will come to a page where you need to put in your detail, okay? Because I already logged in, so that's why you will see something like this. Otherwise, you will see a button saying that sign up for an account. You need to sign up for an account. When you sign up for an account, don't forget to put in your own detail first. Your details, parents' details, which is you and your birthday, suburb you are from, and then the next one is dependent, which is your child. You put in the details there, okay? Now, once you put it in, you will get to see something like this. Now, because I bought the introductory offer, that's why I have this in here. Okay, so I'm sure you want to look at the pricing. If you go on the pricing there, click this button. We have different monthly plan to suit your need. Okay, you can come once a week. All these plans can share between the same family. You can have John, Peter. You can share the same visit. Okay, so John can come twice, or share between Johnny and Mary, or Mary come twice. Okay. Now, the free trial will automatically give it to you as soon as you sign up for an account. After that, once you come in for a free trial, you can buy the passes from here. You can buy introductory offer, or you can do your adult class. You can buy from here as well. At the moment, we have 5 lessons pass, which is a little bit dearer because you can come at any time. But if you want something a bit more budget, you can go on to a monthly plan. The monthly plan here, it doesn't matter 4 or 5. It goes by calendar month. Sometimes could be 4, sometimes could be 5. Okay, depending on the day that you want to choose. Okay, now at the moment, we only have 5 and 60 group lessons, but we have more passes coming up. Okay, very shortly at the beginning of November 2019. And we also have private lessons as well. Private lessons, all these private lessons here can be shared between two people, but you just book under one person's name. You could have Johnny and Peter, but when you buy it, because you can see the group right here, when you buy it, you can two people with the same. But when you buy it, just make sure you buy it under one person's name there, okay? And then you can book under one person's name, but you bring in two people. Okay, how are you going to book it? Okay, so first of all, I go back to your stuff, your dashboard. Okay, you will get to see whatever pass that I have got. I have 3 kids, Elton, Dalton, and Clinton, okay? So what you got to do, I have a pass for Clinton. You can choose, go to group lesson timetable here, choose the day that you want. Let's say I want something next Wednesday. I want to start a level here with myself, okay? So don't worry about the $30 because you have a free trial. In this case, I have my introductory offer. So I can click Clinton Hall. Next, you will see introductory offer, then finished. Okay, so if you go back to my dashboard there, you will see I got upcoming lessons, okay? And you will receive a reminder by email 24 hours in advance. For private lesson, will be the same. You do exactly the same thing. You can click in 30 minutes private lesson. At the moment, I don't have any pass, that's why I can't book, okay? But you need to book with minimum 12 hours in advance so the teachers know whether they need to come or not. But when you cancel it, make sure you cancel the private lesson 24 hours in advance so the teacher know they don't need to come to work. Because why is 24 hours in advance is that the teachers are not going to check their apps all the time because they have their whole private life there. So they need to cancel 24 hours in advance. For private lesson, it's different because you got other kids there, you can cancel with minimum 4 hours before, but when you book it, it's with minimum 2 hours in advance. So how are you going to cancel it or reschedule it? You go to your stuff, your dashboard there, click in this one here, and then cancel it. Then you do exactly the same action of what I just teach you. Done. And then you can group lesson reschedule again. Okay, so now I'm sure you know how to use our online booking systems and also which class you need to choose for your child. Now, in order to enhance your experience with Joyce as well and to save your time, our website, which is the one that you just type in, www.joyce.net.au, we have different functions as well here. The forms, we have a cancellation form, just in case you enroll into our monthly program and you want to cancel it. We have a forms online. You can click this button, okay? Or we can do schedule call. Now, what schedule calls mean, when you click it in, you will see something, you book a time and the date that you want to call us. Sometimes you might prefer to talk to us in detail because you might have some problems as well in relation to your child's learning or payment issue. And you can click the time and the date that you want, and then we will call you at a time that suits you, okay? Now, just in case you can't remember how to book online, you don't need to watch this video again. All you need to do, go onto tutorial video on our website, and you will see we chopped in the booking method into bits by bits, how to enroll in a free trial lesson. We also have the Chinese version, how to cancel lessons online, how to pay for monthly plan. If you don't know how, you can look at here. Customer login is for you when you have an account already registered. So you don't have to check your email all the time. You can just go on here, customer login. Then it brings you to the other page where you can just log in. Because I already logged in, that's why you can't see. So it will bring you to the page that looks like this here, okay? So it will say sign in, and it will bring you to the page in here. Okay, last one that I want to mention is that on our website there, we also have a Chinese version. If you don't know if your English is might not be that well, you can read our Chinese version. Okay, other than that, any questions, send us a message. Okay, I hope to see you, Joyce. Bye.